Good morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Now I am present here with same chapter number 8. The title of this chapter is Shapes Around Us. Through this video, we will do some exercise. So let's start this class. Question number 1 is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. So many things I explained about this chapter shapes around us. Now, on the basis of that explanation, I am going to write some questions and we will do these things. Okay? Question number 1. Dash faces dash faces has dash faces had a clue. Number 2. Okay. I want to change this question. This is what better for you all. First, I am going to draw something. Okay. You can see that I have drawn three shapes: cube, cuboid, and sphere. Cube, cuboid, and sphere. Now, on the basis of these pictures, on the basis of this shape, we will fill this given space. Okay. So, in first figure, faces, number of faces, number of edges, number of vertices. Same things in figure number 2. Faces, edges and vertices, and that side is same. So first we start with this cube. How many faces? How many faces a cube has? How many faces a cube has? कितना फेस होता है क्यूब में? कितना फेस होता है? Already I told 6. So what is the answer? 6. Now edges. How many edges in a cube has? कितना एज होता है? एज मीन्स व्हाट? किनारा. कितना एज होता है? How many edges? 12. And last one, how many vertices or vertex? Vertex means what? Corner. Vertex, we can say that vertex, vertex singular, vertices plural, corner, apex, apex भी बोलते हैं उसको, apex, apex, apex. Vertices. So how many vertices a cube has? 8. So this is our answer. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices a cube has. Now come to the cuboid. How many faces? Already I told cube and cuboid is have same faces, number of faces, number of edges, number of vertices. How many faces in a cube? In a cuboid? 6. So you will write 6. How many edges a cuboid has? How many edges? Same, 12. Vertices. How many vertices? How many vertices a cuboid has? 8. So this is our answer. So you can see that in a cube and cuboid, all things are same. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices a cube has. 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices a cuboid. And now come to the that side sphere. How many faces? How many faces a sphere has? 1. One curved face or surface a cube sphere. One curved surface. Already I told surface and face is same thing. So one curved face or surface a sphere है. How many edges? No edges, so we will write 0. We will write 0. How many vertex? How many vertex a sphere has? No vertex, no edge. So we will write 0. So one in a sphere, only one, only one curved surface or curved faces. Okay. Now next. Now you can see that I had drawn 2 more shapes. This is the shape of what? ये किसका shape है? This is shape of cone and this is shape of cylinder. This is cone. Okay. And this is cylinder. Cylinder. Now faces, edges, vertices, faces, edges, vertices. Now come to the first shape, cone. How many faces a cone has? How many faces? Cone में कितना face होता है? Have you seen birthday cat? Yes. If you have seen, so you can say the answer. How many faces? And already I have explained also about cone and cylinder in explanation video. How many faces? How many faces or face a cone है? एक कोन में कितना फेस होता है पता है? What? कितना फेस होगा? 2 faces. How many faces? 2 faces. Second, how many edges? कितना एज होता है? Have you seen the birthday cat? How many edges a cone has? 1. And how many vertices? How many vertices? First, I am going to explain about, once again I have to explain about this thing. Number of faces a cone has. कितना फेस होता है? मैंने दिखाया था. आप you can see that so many times the video. Go through the link and you can see them. This position, look at it. These things, this portion of the cone, it face. Which type of face? Curved face. ये कर्व फेस है, कर्व फेस और कर्व सरफेस. एंड आप लोग बर्थडे का देखते जैसे पहनते हैं तो लोअर पोर्शन, बॉटम पोर्शन जो होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड आल्सो फेस. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेन फेस और प्लेन सरफेस. दिस इज आल्सो one plain face and one curved face a cone है. तो one plain face, one curved. How many total number of faces? 2. So that's why I have written 2. How many faces a cone has? 2 faces. Now age का बात करेंगे. Okay. How many age और edges? 1 faces. This is age. This is age. How many age? 1. And now vertex. This is age. This portion is age. And how many vertex or vertices? 1. This point is called vertex. How many vertex? A cone has 1. So this is our answer. In a cone, 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex. 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 plain face or plain surface. Now come to the cylinder. Look at it. How many faces? First we will talk about face or faces. How many faces? Already I told this surface is called curved surface. So one curved surface and two plain surface. One curved surface and 2 plain surface a cylinder has. So total how many number of surface or faces? 3 होगा ना. Look at here one more time. This is a curved surface. Already I told face or surface is same things. या face बोली या surface बोली चलेगा. This time I am talking about face. Surface नहीं बोल रहे, face बोल रहे. How many faces? 1 curved face. This thing is 1 curved face and this one, this and this one, this both side. Two plane face and one curved face a cylinder है. So how many total number of faces? 3. That's why I have written 3. Now age. How many edges? How many edges? How many edges a cylinder has? You look at it. This is a plane surface, na? Plane face or plane surface. So in both side, in plane surface or in plane face, a side of a plane face or plane surface, a cylinder has edge also. Look at here. This portion. This is called edge. How many edges? 1, 2. 2 edges a cylinder has. What is answer? 2. And now vertex. In a cylinder, no vertex. सिलेंडर में वर्टेक्स नहीं होता. सिलेंडर देखेंगे, इसमें कहा कॉर्नर दिख रहा है? कहीं कॉर्नर है? नहीं है ना. तो वी विल राइट 0. So in a cone, 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertices. In a cylinder, 3 faces, 2 edges and 0 vertex. अब 3 एक ये दिखाना पड़ेगा मुझे कि मैंने किसको किसको बोला. फेस किसको किसको बोला. this and this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is this area. Inside this curved line. Inside this curved line, in both ends of a cylinder has curved face. Plane face. Plane face or plane surface. 1, 2, 3. 3 surfaces. And these things, this position, edge. How many edges? 2 edges. 1, 2. 2 edges. Inside this edges, this position called plane surface or plane face. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we can write together. If a question will come, how many number of faces or number of surface a cone has or a cylinder has, so you can write together number of faces after 8 curved face or what? Curved face or plane face. Okay. So students, through this video we have done some exercise and all of you will do practice more and more to clear this concept. Okay, thank you.